Today we're going to cover setting up payloads on a Acieta FastLOAD CX1000. To make that easier, we've loaded up a program that will move the robot to the positions that are needed. First thing that we're going to do is pick the program that we made to make this process easier. It's called Payload Positions. This helps you move between the 4 positions that the payload calculator requires. And then the second thing you want to make sure you have is you have your part or your payload set up on your gripper. So that way as the robot records the settings, it's with your actual payload. So I've got a part in the gripper and I'm ready to start. Now that that program is selected, we're going to go into the menu structure and under Setup and U-Tool Payload Setup is where we want to run this. The first thing that it shows you are the 4 different positions that it's going to expect the robot to walk through. We already have that step covered because of the program. So we'll just hit Next Step. And then we select which payload schedule we want to set. In this case, I'm going to pick an unused schedule. And then we can go Next. Now, if you know the mass of your part and the end of arm tool all together, you can enter this. For now, I'm just going to pick that the mass is not known and hit Next. And then we're already at the first position. If we weren't, we would go under Play and make sure that step is enabled. And then we're going to go and advance it line by line until the robot moves to the first position we need to take a measurement at. Now we can click Measure. And as soon as we have a green checkbox, we know we're good. And then I can hit Next Step. And then back into the play, run the program forward. It'll move to the next position. Hit Measure again. And we should get a green checkbox. Next Step. Advance to the next position. Measure again. Then the last position. And then we'll measure again. And then we'll hit Next Step and it will show us what results it found. As long as this looks appropriate, go ahead and hit Finish and that will apply. Now the first thing you need to do then is apply your DCS parameters. So we'll go ahead and open up the Legacy pendant and then hit Apply. And enter the default master code, which is 1111. And then it'll take a moment for it to resolve everything. Now we can press OK. And as soon as it comes back up, we'll have to cycle power and then that new payload is ready to use.